What's going on, everybody? It's your average sneaker guy bringing you the average hype. And today's kits on feet is the Air Jordan 11 Cherries. But before we go check and see what these things look like on feet, let's take a 360 look. And yes, I got the black laces in. We did a lace swap on these. Bam. Look at that booty. Wheel side. Traction. Toe box, got the white tongue, and like I said, I put the black laces in these. I did the lace swap. I got a lot of mixed reviews when I post a picture on Instagram. Some people loved it, some people said don't ever do that again. But that's the beauty of the sneaker community. That's the beauty of the sneaker culture. You can do whatever you want with your sneakers. I don't like to have the same thing. We all got the same sneakers. So why we all gotta look the same? So, bam. Now before we get into that on foot, make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all rock with your boy. You don't hit the dislike, and I still appreciate y'all. Now let's go see what these things look like on feet. Okay, y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all thought about the on-foot look. Let me know, what do y'all wear today? Y'all seen what I was rocking today. My kicks on feet with the Air Jordan Cherries 11. Last year holidays, Jordan 11. Bam, we're gonna take another 360 look. Bam, bam. So that's out for my thumbnail. Bam, and bam. Y'all let me know what y'all were rocking today. Thank y'all for tuning in to another Kicks on Feet. What y'all rocking today? It's your average sneaker guy bringing you the average hype. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.